7. Rimac Nevera 2025. The Rimac Nevera redefines electric performance with its 4 electric motors producing an incredible 1914 horsepower. Its advanced battery technology, sleek design, and lightning-fast acceleration make it a standout in the hypercar world. Capable of going from 0 to 60 mph in just 1.5 seconds, it offers a top speed of 250 mph. The interior features a modern cockpit with premium materials and a state-of-the-art infotainment system, ensuring comfort and control for the driver. Priced at $2.4 million, the Nevera is a glimpse into the future of high-performance electric vehicles.